We are here in Stuttgart at the UNITI expo, and I'm happy to introduce some of our latest developments to you. Starting with LNG, we now have additionally to our well-known bulk transfer equipment now also the full set of the hanging hardware consisting of the breakaway, the hoses and the couplings, both for vent line and for the fill line. For the N-LNG, that's how the nozzle is called, it's the very good feature that we have here, that you can exchange the main seal quickly on site without detaching the nozzle from the hose, which saves a lot of servicing hours. Here we see our new products for gaseous hydrogen H2. So we have here on this area over our equipment for low pressure hydrogen up to 20 bar. We have the rubber expansion joint as well as our low pressure hoses in different sizes. What we also do have is products for the medium pressure range of 350 bar. For trailer refueling, we do have also the ball valves, and what we also have is the check valves. Here we see our products for the CNG equipments, like the bulk transfer equipment 1 inch, and we go also to the vehicle refueling equipment, the bus truck equipment, the passenger car fill valves. We have the nozzles. The blue one is the one for the 200 bar pressure range. We have the yellow one for the 250 bar pressure range. And what we have also new is the breakaway that we have as a twin package, as you see it here, coming with the vent breakaway and the fill line breakaway. So that is available now. Over here we see our vapor recovery products, our different types of the vapor recovery nozzles. What I would like to point out is what we have here in the middle, our vapor recovery nozzle connected to our long-lasting coaxial vapor recovery hoses. And what is very unique, it's coiled up on a vapor recovery hose reel, and all these packaged together makes it unique, and is the only one available in the market. Here we see some of our hose reel packages that we customize for your needs. So we have them in different options, different materials. So the hose reels can be produced in carbon steel, they can come in stainless steel 304, 316. They can come in different colors. We have in different rewind systems. We have manual operated ones, we have spring rewind ones, motorized types with electric motors, pneumatic, hydraulic motors, whatever you need. We can also have, as you see here, customized hose reels. We see here behind cabin reel, when you have only narrow space available. This one is a stainless steel one. We can produce them in also different sizes, different diameters.